Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Students, how are you? Students, we welcome all of you in our Mom Education channel. Students, today we are going to learn basic cost accounting, in which the topic is process costing and its other name is cost of production report. Dear students, let's we move to its 12th problem. Normal loss in second department. Students, let's we read this problem which is in front of you in your screen. Students, let's start to read this problem carefully and try to solve this problem. Students, problem number 7.12. This problem is taken from the book of Professor Sohail Afzal. Now let's start. CPR, the abbreviation of CPR is cost of production report. Normal loss in second department during August. B department of Atlas Industry received 34,000 units from department A department at a total cost of rupees 92,810 and transferred to C department 30,000 units. 1,000 units were lost during processing. Remaining units were 100% complete as to materials and 50% converted cost. Cost incurred in department B department were rupees 35,660 rupees as a material, rupees 46,600 as a direct labor, and overhead rupees 34,950 rupees. Students, the requirement is prepare a cost of production report of assembly department. Students, let's move to the main slide to solve this problem. This is the main slide. The heading is Atlas Industry Department B. Cost of production report for the month of 31st August 2000 dash. Students, let's move in first section like as quantity schedule, in which we have to put the units which are coming from the preceding department A, which are 34,000 units here. Now units completed and transfer to the next department, department C, which are 30,000 units. Unit treatment process is 3,000 units and the unit closing process is 1,000 units. Friends, we are looking both the figure in starting and ending are also equalized. Now we move second section as a cost charged to department. Cost charged to department. For this purpose, we have to firstly put the cost from preceding department, which is 92,810. Now we'll find out the per unit cost here as a preceding department. Then we have to divide cost divided by units received from the preceding department here. This is the 2.73 is the per unit cost from preceding department. Now we put the current department cost like as material, labor and overhead at here, which is 35,660 rupees, 35,660 rupees as a direct material cost, 46,600 rupees as a direct labor cost, and the factory overhead is 34,950 rupees. Now students, we add these three figures here. This is the 1,17,210 rupees. Now we add current manufacturing cost with the preceding department cost here. This is the 2,10,020 rupees. Now students, our next step is to find out the per unit cost against current department manufacturing cost like as direct material, direct labor and factory overhead, and also the adjustment for those units per those units also. For this purpose, we have to move the fourth section like as additional computation, in which we have to find out the equivalent production as a material, as a direct labor, as a factory overhead here. Direct labor, factory overhead, direct labor, factory overhead, now students, units completed are 30,000, 30,000 and 30,000. The unit process is 3,000, 3,000 and 3,000. Degree of completion is 100% as a material, 50% as a labor and 50% as a factory overhead. Now we will find the condition of work in serial process inventory here and inventory here. Now we copy it. This is the units complete in still in process inventory. Now we add both the values here, completed units plus units still process inventory as condition form. Now we copy it here. Student, this is the economic production about the material, labor and factory overhead. Now we put these units in units to find out the per unit cost. The material cost, current manufacturing cost is 35,660 rupees and 46,600 and 34,950. Now students, we have to put the economic productions as material, labor and overhead here. 23,000 units, 31,500 units and 31,500 units also. Students, now we divide cost by economic production here divided by this. This is the 1.08 per unit cost as a material. Now we have to copy it again here. So these are the other per unit cost like as Lect labor and factory overhead cost here. Students, now we find the adjustment for loss unit cost after adjustment. Students, in these units, 1,000 units as a loss in process is not included, then the cost per unit will be increased because the units decrease, then the cost increase. Same as this is the proceeding department, per unit cost is here. The difference between both the cost is 0.08. This is the loss adjustment per unit. This is the loss adjustment per unit, which is put in the section 2 column unit per cost. We now move second section to put the per unit cost in and as well as the loss adjustment per unit. Student, this is the 0.08 adjustment for loss units. Now we put here what is the path? The path is this. Now we put here K51 and K52 here. Now we add up three per unit cost values here. Student, this is the 3.67 per unit cost as a current manufacturing cost in the department 2. Now we add other values as a proceeding cost per unit and the loss cost per unit here. is the total cost per unit, total cost per unit, with both the departments, department 1 and department 2, department A and B. Now we students move to the third section as a cost accounted for as follows, in which we have to put the units commission transfer to C department here, which is 30,000 units, and the volume cost is this 6.48. Student, the cost of units transfer to the third department C is 1,94,450 rupees, and now we move next. Working process, ending inventory, adjustment cost from sitting department. 3,000 units is the receiving department, and the final cost adjusted by unit cost is this. Student, now we will find the current university process in department 2 cost 3,000 units, and also 3,000 units here. The degree of commission is 100%, 50%, and also 50% here. The final cost is K 50 plus K 51 and plus K 52. Students, you are looking, the costs have been found out in student process units like as material, labor, and factor overhead. Now we add all values to find the sum up about these here, which is 15,562 rupees. Now students, we add this value with this value to find the final value, 2,10,020 rupees. Student, this is the reconciled figure, which is always equal to the second section manufacturing cost. Total cost is here 2,10,020 rupees, and also 2,10,020 rupees. It means that our question is 100% accurate. Dear students, I think you have learned and understood this problem clearly. If you have any problems from this question, please inform me on my channel, so I will try my best to remove your problem at once. Dear students, if you are clear and understood about this problem, please subscribe my channel and like it. Students, one more thing is that for learning about post-production report, so you have to see my all videos consecutively so that you can clear your all concepts about this topic. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.